Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 4.1 from the 2018 Maths Lit Grade 11 Paper 2, and this question deals with measurement, and in particular, measuring the area of a circle and semicircle. So the question reads, a netball court with dimensions of the center circle and semicircle at the extreme ends are given in the diagram below. So they've given us this court and they say that the diameter of the center circle is 0.9 meters, and they have specified that there as well. The semicircle, the radius is given here of 4.9 meters, and then the breadth and length, and they have specified those measurements down here. So then the question asks, calculate the difference between the area of the center circle and the area of one of the semicircles at the extreme ends of the netball courts. You can use the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi times radius, or pi times your radius squared, and then the area of a semicircle is pi times your radius squared divided by 2, and we need to use this as pi. So first off, we need to find out the area of the circle. So area of the circle is going to be the formula that they've given us, but now they haven't given us the radius, they've only given us the diameter, but we know that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, so radius will equal diameter divided by 2, which equals 0.9 meters divided by 2, which equals 0.45 meters. So then, therefore, your area equals pi multiplied by the radius, multiplied by the radius again, and that's the formula that they said we must use. So over here, so then we know that pi equals 3,142, which is given to us, times the radius, which we calculated to be 4.5, or 0.45 should I rather say, times by another radius, which is also 0.45, and this comes to, in your calculators, 0.636255, so be as accurate as possible, and this is in meters squared. We now have to move on to find out the area of a semicircle, and they've told us that the radius is 4.9 meters, so radius is equal to 4.9 meters, so they do specify that over here. Then again have to use this formula, so our area equals, so it's pi times your radius divided by 2, because it's a semicircle, and so this equals, again, pi is 3,142 times by 4,9 times by 4,9, so those are all multiplied together. There are multiplications in between there, and this is all divided by 2. So we put this all into our calculator. We're going to put in the top part into our calculator, so the bottom is going to be 2. So the pi times 4.9 times 4.9 I get is 75,43942. So then that divided by 2 gives us a final answer for the area of the semicircle being 37,71971 meters squared. And they have asked us for the difference, so therefore, so over here they say calculate the difference between the areas. So it's going to be, therefore, our difference equals, so that area of the semicircle, which is the larger of the two, so it's 37,71971 minus the area of the smaller circle in the middle that we've calculated, so 0.63255. Put this calculation into your calculators, and we get that it equals 37,08 meters squared. And that's our final answer. And concludes question 1.4. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answers to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.